I'm just a creature of many of the elements for tall. Hold up. Bring it over. Something wrong with me. What if always copper pipes had some lead in the border for the solder? Many know I'm feeling like I'm an oddity. Pippin on a nada, put my father in the cannon and the trotter, put me on my knee. I've been just feeling free with the free stuff from the D. And if the money know about the ain't on the millie. Club 8 Mile, yo, and that's a wild style. If you with me knowing and been laying for a while. I'm in the scene, I'm feeling full, I'm in the fold. I'm a fella full, I'm living in the bud. I'm feeling full of love, and we really see the sea. Raining and you know I gotta put it from the ceiling G. Raining in the Mac, from Atomic, call me Chris, never attack. Pepe up and all, I've been out serving that. I've been over, feeling, living up and riding. And when you know I'm feeling, I'm a new bit of feeling. Containing the pain and I release all that. And let it go down, for the dissipate down on that drain. What happened?